haven't seen one of these get posted in a while.
Rainfall is expected. Where portions of northern Delaware, including the following county: Newcastle and Pennsylvania, including the following counties: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Montgomery, and Northampton. When? Until 3:15 a.m. Thursday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 9:10 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Warning.
Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area.
I'm just not getting it.
Some locations that may experience flooding include Allentown, Reading, Wilmington, Newark, Easton, Middletown, Westchester, Bethlehem, Norristown, Chester, Pottstown, and Phoenixville. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.